This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Paul Ford, Realtors property video is presented by Clay Mittman. Spacious College Hill Twin with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 bathrooms in move-in condition. Floors have been refinished throughout the entire home. Nice front porch, natural woodwork throughout, as well as an updated large eat-in kitchen that features a mudroom right off of the backyard patio. The third floor offers 2 additional bedrooms with refinished floors that can be used as additional living space, each with plenty of natural light. This home is conveniently situated in the heart of College Hill, close to all transportation and within walking distance of Lafayette College, March Elementary School, and downtown Easton. For more information, review the details below or contact Clay Mittman at 610-253-61.